Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget account with almost zero fees. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your OKX application. Once you are on the home screen, then you need to click on the assets tab at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the withdraw button and then click on the withdraw crypto button again. And after that, you need to search for USDT in the search bar. Select USDT Tether and then you need to select exchanges or wallet here. And after that, here you can see all networks that supports USDT chain. After that, you need to select the network that supports almost zero fees. So here I can see the Aptos chain that supports almost 0.03 USDT. So click on the Aptos chain, and always keep in mind that the network you select on the OKX account, after that you need to select the same network on the Bitget side, so the funds will be transferred easily. After that, here you can see that it required the address and the withdrawal amount, so simply minimize this application. And after that, you need to open your Bitget application. Simply open your Bitget application. Once you're on the home screen, then you need to tap on the assets tab and then click on the deposit button, and again click on the deposit crypto button. Now in the search bar, search for USDT here and select. After that, you need to select the same network. Here you can see Aptos. Simply click on the Aptos here, and here you can see your USDT Aptos chain address. Simply copy this address and you minimize this application, and then you need to open your OKX application again. And after that, you need to paste that particular address here. After that, you need to select the withdrawal amount of your USDT, and then you need to click on the submit button. After that, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer from your OKX to Bitget account. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget account with almost zero fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.